Hi, my name is Michael Dottino of the United States Memory Championship, and this is my third workshop with Speaking Empire. This workshop has been the Create Your Own Box workshop, and I am absolutely thrilled with the quality of the product that we've received. I want to give a shout out to everyone that I've worked with here, both on the Speaking Empire side, Lisa and Nicole, as well as the Overnight Success Studios team, and that's also Lisa and Abel. This is my first time ever in front of a camera, and as you might imagine, I was extremely nervous. Abel helped get me comfortable and put together a professional shoot that I can feel proud of, and with his coaching, it made all the difference in the world. Lisa is fantastic at what she does, is a product development and sales funnel expert, and I have learned so much from her here over and above getting the actual box itself built. I highly recommend this course to anyone who's thinking about launching a new product, because the quality of what you get plus the bonuses and additional knowledge are well worth the investment.